Another thing you want to check on the net wrap system is your brake tension. This is very key when making bales that this is set correctly. In the operator's manual, it says somewhere between 85 and 95 pounds, not to exceed 110. Now we're going to show you how to do a pull test at the back of the baler to make sure that's set correctly. So to do a pull test, we first fed the net wrap through the duct bill. We pulled it out to about this length. Then we retracted the duct bill to the home position where the brake pad is actually on the sheave. We're going to hook up our scale. And we're going to pull on it until it starts to move. Again, you're looking for 85 to 95 pounds, as in the operator's manual, not to exceed 110.